Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and today we are going to sublimate on a leather notebook. Not just any leather notebook. This was sent to me from Heat Transfer Warehouse and it is the A4 sublimation, I can't say that word, you can use it for sublimation notebook. It's pink. All right. And it says leather, but it looks like a suede and it feels like a plastic. It's pretty cute. I really do like this. So, we're gonna see how this works. So it's just your regular A4 notebook. I'm pretty excited for it. The binding could be a little better, but it's not terrible. Definitely workable. Words are not workable for me today. But anyway, so, well, that's pretty cool. The outside it's a little crunchy, but that's okay. But the inside, it has like a little weather, weekday, number, and date. That's pretty sweet. I like that. All right, so anyways, I've got an image here that I'm an idiot and fudged up. So we are going to, we're going to use it anyway. So this was originally just this color and I wanted to outline it because it's kind of a pinky color and that's kind of a pinky color. So it I didn't think it'd show up. So I outlined it in fusible ink markers and the ink started to run out in the marker that I was using. So I went like this to try and get the ink towards the bottom and it went everywhere, all over our new floors. So I must be bound to have blue ink everywhere because in the last house before we moved, I had an incident with my Epson printer where I was trying to be frugal and add ink to it and it just goes poof. So I had ink on the ceiling and on the floor and it was blue. So anyways, moving on. So there's little specks on it and you can clearly see where I can't draw on a straight line. I don't know what the heck I was doing, but anyways, I'm gonna use it because I like it and it builds character, right? Whatever. But this video is gonna serve two purposes. One, to show you how to sublimate on one of these notebooks, and two, to show you that you can use infusible ink markers on sublimation paper on top of sublimation ink and press it. Now, here's a side note. Those infusible ink markers are about 4 years old and they haven't been used in about 3 of those 4 years. So if it doesn't work, it's not on me, it's on the markers. So anyways, we have our notebook. Make sure that it's facing the right way. We have our press. Our press is warmed up to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And I do not have some tape. And I don't have tape. And I have scissors. All right, so I've got sublimate or heat transfer tape, heat resistant tape, some scissors. Don't yell at me, I know they're fabric scissors. I don't cut fabric, so I really don't care. So scissors, tape, and what we're gonna do is just tape this bad boy in this direction onto our notebook. And when we tape it onto our notebook, we want to make sure that it's centered where we want it and secure it very, very, very tightly. Just kidding, use as much or as little tape as you want to. Whatever floats your boat. So again, that's 400 degrees, 60 seconds. I would show you me taping this, but that doesn't sound like very much fun. So I'm just gonna double check because knowing my luck, I would do it upside down. Okay, this is right. All right, so we want to make sure that it's on there nice and flat. Get some more tape. If you hear dogs in the background, ignore it. My kids are home from school and they like to run in and out of the house. So therefore the dogs go crazy. kind of like me a little bit. All right. I know I said, okay, do what I say, not what I do, okay? I said to secure it tightly, or use as little or as much tape as you want to. This is all the tape I'm gonna use. So the important part of sublimating this guy is you have this binding and you can't really take this off, or can you? You can. You shouldn't take that off. Should you? It doesn't say it. It didn't say to take it off. But I may have made a mistake and made the image too big as well, because now it's gonna have to hang over my press like this, and I'm worried that this part isn't going to press or show up. We're gonna find out though. All right, so I'm gonna pull this out. Oh, but first, I'm gonna point you guys down there. How rude of me. Wasn't ready to show you what I was doing. Look at that. Okay, now you can see. So I've got my parchment paper ready to go on top of it as well to protect the things. Of course, when I go to, you know, make a YouTube video, everybody and their mom wants to call me. Okay. So I'm gonna bring this all the way out, and I'm actually gonna move my press out too so that it hangs right. Don't try this at home, folks. All right, so you want to have your notebook binding like on the edge and just hang it over straight and flat. And again, I don't know that this little part here is gonna get pressed. We're gonna find out though. I actually need to bring it up just a little bit further without dropping it on my foot, because that would suck. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna push this over just a little bit more. We'll find out, but if this part fails, that's on me. I'm a tardo sometimes. All right, and you want hard pressure, 60 seconds, and yes, it's gonna make this teeny little fluey look like it's catching on fire thing, because there is board of some sort underneath there, so it's heat on paper. It's gonna smoke, and it's sublimation, so the ink is gonna turn into gas, and you get my point. And it smells funny, but that's okay. So again, the notebook is from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and the image is actually from designbundles.net. I'll drop both of those links down in there for you if you want to get those. The printer I used is the Epson EcoTank 2720, but I just got a Sawgrass 500, and I can't wait to show you guys that one too. So make sure you watch for future videos. Gonna do a whole unboxing and everything with it. It's brand new to me. I converted that guy. That one I just put the ink and paper in and it's ready to go apparently. We shall see, because it's me. So it's probably some other wild process. All right, that's done. We lift, swing, and pray to the sublimation lords that it all turned out okay. Oh God, oh no. Oh shit. I mean, darn. Whatever, you guys know me. Oh, it did, it got it. It got it. Oh, I kind of like it. Even with my janky typing, writing, tracing, it worked. But you can see here where my markering pulled off some of the paper, so the ink just bled in and it didn't transfer all the way. But my little splotches from where I shook the pen transferred. That is actually, I kind of am sad now that I traced over these, because they would have shown up just fine. But now it says, poof, I am. Or my. It actually says I and then am. Just the way that it reads is funny. This is, I like it. Bring this back over here, turn that off. Bring you guys back up here. Hello. And no, I'm not using a filter. I don't know what's going on right now, but this light and the way that it's making me look really tan, I kind of like it. There's no filter, there's no makeup, there's just me. One thing I will note, back on topic here. So with this, I did the same pressure that I do my t-shirts with, and I think that it might have been too much for this. Reason why. You can kind of see, maybe you can't, but I can definitely see it. Wonder if I turn the brightness, oh, that's down. Turn it up maybe? No? You still can't see it. Can you see it now? Like right here where the tape was and right here where the tape was. You see that little dent or indentation right there? It's kind of weird. Like it didn't indent where the tape was. Maybe that's from where I pulled it up, you know? But I feel like if I just put it under some pressure, it would smoothen out. So that, just a side note, you know, don't put too much pressure on it, I guess. Maybe just light to medium pressure, not heavy pressure. Then again, I have no idea. Medium pressure is probably what you want. And I did notice, I just noticed something, guys. So you know I said it feels like a plastic? Well, if you look here, right here, you hear it? There's a little plastic piece. I think that's what I just sublimated on, right there. Not the actual leather piece. Guys, I just discovered something. I didn't sublimate on the faux suede that's what looks like the leathery part. I sublimated on the plastic PVC vinyl piece. Not feel like an idiot. Anyways, you learn something new every day. But what you could do is if you have a notebook and you want to sublimate on it, but you're not sure if it's sublimatable, you can use laminating sheets. Put a laminating sheet on and then sublimate on top of that. You learned something else new with this video. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you guys today was how to sublimate on a faux suede leather PVC notebook. 400 degrees, 60 seconds, and light to medium pressure. I'd say maybe medium pressure because light pressure and sublimation don't usually mix. So, well, heat transfer warehouse for the journal. Designbundles.net for the image minus my beautiful artwork. And me, that's all you need, just kidding. All right, so make sure you like, subscribe, all that good fun stuff, and remember to watch for my sawgrass video. I'm very excited. It's sitting over there on the floor, and I cannot wait to unbox that thing and show you guys. Until next time, my crafty peeps, we'll see you later.